Tired of sifting through confusing procedures just to get your broadband allowance reimbursed? Let's dive in and show you exactly how to submit your broadband claim for Infosys employees, ensuring a smooth and successful reimbursement. First, you will need to log into the Infosys employee portal. Using your credentials, make sure you have your employee ID and password once logged in. Locate the section related to employee benefits or reimbursements. This section might be located under My Benefits, HR Services, or a similar tab depending on the latest updates. Next, find the option for Broadband Allowance Claim. Click on that option to begin the process now. The portal will prompt you to fill out the claim form. This is where you'll provide essential details. You will be asked for information such as the start and end dates of your broadband usage, your internet service provider, and the total broadband costs. Accurately fill in each field. Ensure every section is completely filled. As this is very important, it is highly advised to double-check everything now. You'll need to gather the necessary documentation. Typically, this includes your broadband bill or invoice as proof of expenditure. Make sure the bill clearly shows your name, the service provider's details, the billing period, and the amount paid. Next, you'll upload the supporting documents. Click on the Upload button or the designated area to upload the scanned copy or a clear photograph of your broadband bill. Then make sure all the information is accurate. Once your file successfully uploads, review all the information one last time and hit the Submit button. Congratulations, your broadband claim has been submitted. Keep an eye on the portal or your email for notifications regarding the status of your claim. And that's it. Now you know how simple it is to initiate your broadband allowance claim within Infosys. All ready to go.